So to get started, we're going to use this little pan here, and we're going to brown this hamburger meat, which Mari is going to do. He's doing that. I'm going to be chopping up these vegetables. I would recommend maybe like a small onion, or a small onion and 1 green pepper. Right now I'm just using a pepper and an onion that I had this morning, but I'm going to chop this up like so. Take the meat out, so put it in there. Yes. I kind of got this recipe from Pinterest. One night I didn't know what to fix, and we had some sausage, we had hamburger, and we had some beans, and we didn't have, I don't think we had pepper and onion and stuff like that, but I looked up a recipe like what to do with like hamburger and baked beans. You cut the pieces of onion up so that they're smaller pieces. Like start frying. I will take these onions and put them in bowls to set on the side, because I will be cooking those with the sausage. This is pepper that I had left over that I'm going to be adding. Like I said, I would recommend a whole, like maybe 3/4 of a pepper. It kind of depends on whether you like peppers or onions as much as I do. I mean, not as much as I do, but you put as much pepper and onion as you see fit for yourself. I use this little tiny knife because it's my favorite knife, and it's sharpening all the rest. No matter how many times I sharpen the other ones, they don't really sharpen the way I want them to. You don't have to take it all the way out. The peppers, you got all long. And this is what it looks like so far. I'll rip some. We're going to be using the smoked sausage here that comes in a big sausage link. It comes fully cooked. Well, I cooked them again as part of the cowboy beans. I cooked them with the onions and the peppers. So you're going to brown the hamburger till all the pink is gone. So I rinsed out the pan that the hamburger was just in. I'm going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and cut the heat down just a little bit. And I'm going to add in the onions and the peppers that I just chopped up. I'm going to allow those to cook while I chop up this sausage. So now we're going to use half of the sausage that came in this pack here, and I'm just going to take it and chop it into like little circles so that they look like this. And after that, I'm going to cut those in half. Yep, I can do that. Just cut it in half and put it right here in the bowl. So while he's doing that, I'm going to stir up these onions and peppers. I'm going to be putting this pan on the stove and putting the beans inside. So I just put both cans of beans into the big pot that I have, and I have the heat on like number 3 or number 4. Add the sausages into the onions and peppers.
It's raining sausages.
while the sausage, onions, and peppers are cooking, and the beans are on low, Amari and I are going to measure out the rest of the ingredients to be adding into the beans. Some of these ingredients are measured out, and some of them are just sprinkled in or whatever I felt like putting inside of the mixture. So we need a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce.
What? Okay, what is
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce?
Worcestershire sauce. Things like that I'm gonna wait to put to the side. So we need a half a cup of brown sugar, but the baked beans already come with brown sugar in it. Just like to add more. You can add this cup up here. Can you get it in there, son? So we have a fourth of ketchup. Cup of barbecue sauce. And you're gonna need salt and pepper to your liking. Everything else is kind of like sprinkled in. I wouldn't even do a whole teaspoon. Maybe like a fourth of a teaspoon or half a teaspoon. All right, so now that the beans have been on for maybe a few minutes, just gonna stir the beans up. They're not like boiling or anything like that. We're gonna add the hamburger right on top. We're gonna add the sausage right, We're gonna add the sausage, onion and pepper right on top. We're gonna add half a cup of barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add a fourth of ketchup. I'm gonna add that half of teaspoon of garlic. We're gonna add the half cup of brown sugar. I'm gonna add like a dash of seasonal honey, maybe like two squirts of honey. We're gonna add salt and pepper to taste. A dash of Himalayan pink salt. Add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then we're gonna give this a stir. I'm gonna put it on 3. But if your stove has like a simmer setting, you can put it on simmer and allow it to simmer for as long as you think that the ingredients take to simmer together, like marinate and get all the taste in. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a little bit once we start to see and smell the goodness. This is what happens when your husband wakes up and smells the beans cooking. Babe, I said 1 spoon.
1 spoon.
The small spoon. Babe. It gotta simmer and marinate. That's enough.
You said the small spoon. That's it. Bye. So hey y'all, it's been simmering for about I would say about 45 minutes to an hour, and this is what it's looking like. It smells so good. As you can see, it's probably less than what we started with because my husband came and got 2 bowls already. But I'm about to make this cornbread. About to make this what?
And mommy.
Okay, I had 2 spoonfuls.
Let's make this cornbread. So it's me and mommy again.
So it's me and mommy again. Look, it's early. It ain't time for dinner yet, but I'm gonna make this cornbread.
This gonna be so good.
We're gonna make some cornbread muffins.
Huh? Oh.
You know, like the cupcake looking ones that we always eat. Okay, let me see now.
I could put some blue in there.
They're kind of a big deal around here because they are delicious.
Oh, can we get some more?
I probably only need one more. And this is the last one. Tristan, can you go in there with Sissy, please? Thank you. Let's go. And these are going in. One in the oven. So the cornbread are coming out. Look at them cornbread muffins. Tell me what you think. Got cornbread muffins and cowboy beans. Yes.